guys, it's Kosi here. So today in this video I'm gonna give you tips of how you can get a girl. Probably if you're looking at this video, you are searching for a girlfriend, or maybe you're in a relationship, but that relationship is kind of boring. You need a new relationship, right guys? Let me give you advice. Now I'm gonna give you five tips. Yeah? So let's start. Tip number one, you need to look after yourself. Make yourself attractive. What I'm saying about that, I'm saying, if it means going to the gym, go to the gym and have those muscles and six pack. We both know guys with girls want guys with six pack, with nice body, guys who look very attractive, guys who look sexy. Go out and meet people, go out and meet new people, meet girls, have a conversation with girls. Don't be choosy, because you never know which one is a potential girl. Yeah, don't be like that guy who just be a funny guy, be interesting. He's like someone who's funny, who's cracking jokes, who's interesting, make a girl laugh. So you might have someone, you look at you, this guy is funny. This guy. So in this one, you need to know how to talk to girls. Yeah. Take it cool. Tip number 3. Find new things to do. Find new things to do. Go and play soccer. Go and play tennis. Go and play snooker. Or if you are that person who is drinking, or maybe even if you're not drinking, just go out. Perhaps it's Friday. Find out where there's free parties. Girls like going to those parties and meet a lot of people there. The more people you meet, the more opportunity they will come. Okay, let's get to number 4. You need to be there. Help people, volunteer just to help people. Old people that are in the home, just help them. Don't just help the girl that you are attracted to. Help them by this kind of way, so that she will see that potential girlfriend. She will see that this guy he's in your money, he has a heart to help. She will start feeling attracted to you. I'm telling you guys, you want to see. Okay, see tip number 5. You guys, my medals for me, all these 2. I got these when I was out meeting people, in games. This one, I was in the second place in 100 meters running, and this one, I was in the second place again in 400 meters. That guy was very fast. That guy was the fastest guy, so he was giving me hard time. Okay, perfect. Now let's carry on with this video. Number 5. Here we're going to talk about mistake. The most guys do, Okay, they go out, they are successful, they crack jokes, they meet a girl, they have fun with the girl. But here's the mistake. They start pumping out money. They start pumping out money too soon before they even get that girl. No guys, this is a very big mistake. I wish that someone taught me this before I started getting girls and all that. I wish someone taught me, because I lost a lot of opportunities meeting beautiful girls because of fear of losing. Of course, sengiqala manje ukuhamba out imali. No, bafethu. You must avoid that mistake at the first time.
Every single day